Here we have a problem on ratio. This is word problem. Let's read the question carefully to understand the information. The ratio between the speeds of two trains is 7:8. If the second train runs 400 kilometers in 5 hours, find the speed of the first train. Okay, the ratio between the speeds of two trains is given, that is 7:8. The second train runs 400 kilometers in 5 hours. And our aim is to find the speed of the first train. Okay, from this ratio 7:8, we can assume the speed of the first train and second train. That is, speed of first train is 7x and speed of second train is 8x. Once we get the value of x, easily we can find the speed of first train by multiplying 7 and the value of x. So now our aim is to find the value of x using the other information. So the other information we have in the question is the second train runs 400 kilometers in 5 hours. Okay, so here the distance covered by the second train is given and also the time taken by the second train is given. So the distance covered by the second train is 400 kilometers in 5 hours. So using this information, we can find the speed of the second train, because we know the formula for speed, that is distance by time. So speed of the second train is equal to distance 400 kilometers divided by time 5 hours. Okay, let's simplify 400 by 5. 5 goes into 5 1 times, 5 goes into 48 times, there is 0. So speed of second train is 80 kilometers per hour. Okay, already we got the speed of second train, that is 8x. Here the speed of second train is 80 km per hour using the information given in the question. So both 8x and 80 mean the same thing, that is speed of second train. So we can equate them, that is 8x is equal to 80. Now my aim is to solve for x, that is my aim is to get the value of x. Here 8 and x are multiplied. If I take this 8 to the right side of the equation, it will become division. So x is equal to 80 divided by 8, then I get x is equal to 10. Okay, now I got the value of x, that is 10. If I substitute x is equal to 10 in this 7x, I will get the speed of the first train. So 7x means 7 times 10, that is equal to 70. So the speed of the first train is 70 kilometers per hour.